Here is our BELLEZE Veropeso coffee table. We put it together yesterday, and you can see what it looks like. This is the dark brown, the espresso color. I forget exactly what they call it. But you can see, I'll kind of walk around for sunlight. I'm in the sunlight here. It's actually a very, very nice table. It's a nice heavy duty table. It's a good 80 pounds. I mean, it's a nice heavy table. We can put, we have board games and a little decor right down there. We're gonna go ahead and put some books down there, I think. But you can just see what it looks like. It really is nice. The slats, we love the, here, move this out of the way. We love the slats right here. It just kind of gives it a nice little look. The table itself, nice and solid. We have the cross hatches here. These are one piece, you don't have to assemble those. It actually only comes in like 4 real pieces. It's the tabletop, I guess maybe 6 pieces total. Tabletop, this slat's already assembled. Each leg is assembled. There's just one board on each side that you kind of tie in. It ties the whole thing together. It's actually a pretty easy build. It only took about, probably about 40 minutes for me to put together. And it's probably only about 16, maybe 20 different screws. So it's really, really pretty straightforward. There it is. Yeah, it's a nice table. We like it a lot.